Hello students, welcome back to the EVS2 session. Let us continue with lesson number 5, Shivaji's education. Our today's subtopic is the achievements of Dadaji Kondev. Now let us see who was this person, how was he, and what all work he did. Children, here in the picture you can see the person is none other than Dadaji Kondev. Now let us start. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jahagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. Now who is a Subedar? Now Subedar is one of the posts in the army sector. He was a very faithful person. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was also just and a strict disciplinarian. Just means whatever work he used to do justice with that work or with the people. He never used to be unjust with the people. And a strict disciplinarian. Disciplinarian means a person who practices firm discipline. Means he used to practice discipline. He was a very strict disciplinarian. He served with devotion, means whatever work he used to do that with full honesty. At about this time, a big Wada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. Now what was the new place called? It came to be known as Lal Mahal. So children, Lal Mahal, which is in Pune, it was built by the orders of Shahaji Raje. Now let us have a look at the picture. Children, here in this picture you can see the Lal Mahal. And it is very clear why the name is given Lal Mahal. Because you can see the color of the place is completely red. So the name was given Lal Mahal. Students, we have learned the qualities of Dadaji Kondev. Now let us learn something more about him. Let us start. To encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them concessions in the land tax for a few years. Peasants means farmers. To till their lands means to do the cultivation. What did Dadaji Kondev did? He gave the poor farmers concession. He gave them the concession about what? That they should not pay the tax for a few years. He offered prizes for destroying the wolves which infested the countryside and harassed the peasants. Infested means damage. Harassed means troubled. Many wolves were killed. Now children, if you remember, in the last part, we have learned that all the people, those who were living in Pune, they ran away from the Pune city. And because of this, when nobody was living in the city, the wolves, that is, the wild animals, they started coming and living in the city. Why they were living in the city? Because now the city was totally converted into a forest. And forest is the home for the wild animals. We all know this. So what happened? Now when the people, when they came back to live in the Pune city, when Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune, the people also, they came to Pune and they started living there. But now the wolves or the other wild animals, they will take some time to go away from there because from many years the wild animals were living there. So what was happening? Now the wolves, they were roaming freely in the countryside and they were troubling the peasants. So what happened? Dadaji Kondev, what did he did? He raised peasant patrols to protect life and protect from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. So what did he did? He started with a new plan. Now what was his plan? He made some guards. Patrol means guards. He made some guards, or you can say some type of police. He have asked some of the police, some patrols, to look after the people and the property from the gangs of thieves. Now there were thieves also at that time. So he have raised, that means he have called some guards to look after the property and the life of the people who were roaming freely in the countryside. Then what was the other work he did? He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. That means what? The farmers, those who are having good quality of soil, it is natural that they will have good quality of crops and they will get more money. But the farmers, those who have bad quality of soil, they will get less money for their cultivation. So it was natural that the farmers who will get more money, they will have more profit. So according to the profit or according to the quality of the soil, the land revenue was fixed. He thus made the people happy in this way. In the fields of agricultural reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Konddev and the Nizam Shahi Wazir Malik Ambar is considered to be very important. Now children, let us learn something more about Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai. Means whenever his education was going on, let it be of any field, Jijabai, that is his mother, was looking after it. While returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied by eminent means famous teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. Children, you'll remember when they were coming back from Karnataka, Shahaji Raje had sent with them many elephants, many brave generals, ministers, famous teachers, horses. You'll remember this? Yes, very good. So now let us continue. Now all these teachers, they taught him many sciences, branches of learning and languages. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of excellent administration. Excellent administration means how to handle the court, if there are some problems, how to solve them, how to look after the people. War tactics. War tactics means when a war is going on, that is when a battle is going on, how he should handle it, what all things he will need. Fort architecture, that is how to make a perfect fort of horses and elephants, how he should select the best horses and elephants for the war, ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other things. This all he learnt when his education was going on. Shivaji's progress in education pleased Jijabai very much. Means Jijabai was very happy with Shivaji's education.